Alright guys, you already know what time it is. It is prom season, so I'm making me a promo for prom. Right now I'm just measuring the mannequin from my plastic mannequin to the red mannequin because the red one is adjustable and I'm able to pin my muslin fabric on it so that way I could draft it easier. So basically what, you're going to need when it comes to drafting is obviously muslin fabric, pins, you're going to need something to write, either a pen or and a marker. I use a marker so that way I could see the lines a little bit easier, because it's darker. But basically what I'm going to be doing is making 4 panels because the fabric that I chose, one, it is see-through, and 2, it doesn't stretch. So I don't want to have darts in place because I just feel like aesthetically it won't look as great seeing that there's a little bit of excess fabric from the darts. So that's why I'm going to make 4 panels. There's not really much to it when it comes to drafting. You kind of just base it on how you feel. I mean, other designers might just make it a bit different from what I'm doing, but I feel like this is the way that I kind of want to draft this promo prom outfit to look. So right now I'm just kind of cutting the base, making sure it lays flat, making sure that I notate where my bust, waist, and hips are going to lie, so that way I can make sure when I make the other panels that everything lines up to where I need it to be. And I mean, that's pretty much it, to be honest. I mean, there's not much to it. I probably should have sped up this video because, I mean, I ain't got nothing else to really say. But yeah, so yeah, here's a sped up version of me starting on the first panel of the dress. Where the bust line is in the middle is where the darts usually will be. So that's why I will be making the first panel, and that's what you see right here. There's not really much to it. I didn't really do a lot of footage, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie to you, I just forgot. So, once I'm in the zone, I'm not thinking of recording, but I'm going to try to remember to record a bit more so that you can see the process a bit better. But right here is where I'm making my second panel, which is for the front, which is basically kind of like the side of the front. So this video, because I stopped recording after a little while, is of the 4 panels, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. I'm going to do more footage later on just to kind of show the process of making the dress. See you guys later.